In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save to your PC a voice from Google AI Studio. We'll be working inside Google AI Studio using a project where a voice has already been generated, or where you're ready to generate one. Once you're in the correct project, take a moment to make sure you're on the speech generation screen so everything is set up properly before you download the file. Next, add a scene if there isn't one already. A scene helps organize the voice content and gives you a place to build out the speech you want to generate. If a scene is already visible in your project, you can simply continue with it. After that, add a sample context. This helps provide supporting information for the voice generation and can improve how the speech is interpreted. Even if your script is simple, it's useful to make sure this section is included so the project has the right structure. Now choose a speaker voice. This is where you decide how the audio will sound. You can preview or select the voice style that best fits your project, whether you want something more natural, professional, or expressive. Picking the right voice before generating will save you time later. Once the speaker is selected, type in your script. Enter the exact text you want spoken. If you want to include more than one voice, you can add another speech block for a second speaker. That can be helpful for dialogue, demonstrations, or more dynamic audio. When your script looks good, click Run. This generates the voice audio based on the speaker and text you selected. Give it a moment to process, especially if your script is longer. After the audio has been generated, click the download icon to save the voice to your PC. This will store the file locally so you can use it in videos, presentations, edits, or other projects. And that's it, your voice file is now saved and ready to use.